Up first this evening, questions about whether the program of advancement through health and education PATH is encouraging poor women to have more babies. The concerns were raised at today's sitting of Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, P.A.T.H, where officials were taken to task about aspects of the program. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson reports.
The Program of Advancement Through Health and Education PATH is a state-funded social intervention scheme. Among other things, it provides some of Jamaica's most vulnerable, including struggling parents, with cash to help provide for their children. An official from the Ministry of Labour and Social Security explained that once a woman had a child and the relevant paperwork was done, that mother would get the benefits from PATH. Committee member Heroy Clark asked if this approach was taken with a poor mother who already have 4 children on PATH but got pregnant and added a 5th. The official said yes.
But we would be accused of discrimination if we don't assist that family or,
Stunned by the admission, the committee member queried whether the program was perpetuating the handout culture.
Rather than helping them to become independent, we're actually creating a sense of dependency, because there's nothing that is going to tell that mother that, okay, I need to get up and fend for myself. The government is already going to provide.
But Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, Colette Roberts-Risden, pointed to statistics that suggested that fewer women were relying on the program.
The data doesn't show us that, though,
Doesn't show you what?
No, it doesn't show us that there is an incentive, that PATH is an incentive to having children. As a matter of fact, the numbers on the program in terms of pregnant and lactating women, because we do provide a benefit for pregnant and lactating women, is less than 2,000.
The ministry official further outlined that a program of transition was in place for PATH families. Under this arrangement, some family members were provided with skills training, grants to start up business, and on-the-job training to help them provide for themselves.
Have you ever had anybody who would come into the office and voluntarily say, our circumstances have improved?
Unfortunately, people don't do that. As a matter of fact, what this particular exercise...
voluntarily come off?
No.
No.
What this exercise has shown us is that we have some persons who really, when they eventually come into us and we find out why they didn't come in, we have responses like we were overseas on vacation.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.